Is this what J-Lo drinks every morning? Because whatever she's drinking, I want inside of my body.
J-Lo came out with her own alcoholic beverages.
And today we're gonna try all 3 flavors of Delola Spritz.
Let's get into it.
Delola is ready to enjoy anywhere, anytime. Keep Delola chilled and simply pour over ice.
Easy.
User friendly.
First up, Le Orange. This says crafted cocktail with premium Amaro, gluten-free, natural botanicals, 107 calories, and it's an orange and passion fruit flavored.
How much alcohol does it say?
10.5%.
Lighter beverage, I feel like, which I'm not mad at.
I love the color. It's such a vibrant orange.
It smells like a orange candle or something. Very refreshing scent. Very inviting.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Ooh.
Whoa.
It's a little sweet, bitter, bubbly. If you like Aperol Spritz, you would really like this one.
And the good thing about this is that it's in one bottle. For an Aperol Spritz, you need 3 different types of ingredients.
That's true. That's
So
a very
this is
good point.
very nice.
Yeah, easy. I'm loving it.
Yeah, it's really good.
This is a yes for me.
If crafted to go cocktails were a butt, this would be J-Lo's butt.
Next up, Bella Berry and Hibiscus. This one is made with vodka. It has about the same calories as the other ones. And I like the color, it's red.
The bubbles are bubbling.
Ooh, I like how it looks over ice.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
It's giving berries, berry to the face. If you like a vodka cranberry kind of cocktail, this you would like.
It kind of has a weird aftertaste.
It's not my favorite.
I like the other one better too.
It just tastes like it's missing something.
It does.
Should we squirt some lime in here? A
Yeah.
little spritz of lime?
Yeah.
This is gonna help.
Twirl.
Little twirl.
I needed that.
10 times better.
It's so good with the lime, and also I think like letting it sit in the ice for a little bit dilutes it and makes it even better. Squeeze a little lime and it's delicious. Paloma Rosa, grapefruit elderflower spritz, and it is made with tequila, which we are fans of. Yeah.
Yeah, bitter, citrusy.
A little boozier than the others, and I can definitely taste that.
Yeah, you can definitely taste the tequila. It's good.
The elderflower doesn't really come through for me.
No, I wish it came through a little bit more.
If you like grapefruit, the fruit, you'll like this.
If you're a spritz head like me, you grab this one.
This one is definitely the best
By far.
Moral of the story is Delola L'Orange is
Thirsty approved.